Hello, in this video I will show you how to display internet speed on the status bar on HOTWAV Note 12. So you have to start with opening your Google Play application and now click on search bar and type in internet speed. And click search and now click on this app and click install. Now you can click open and click grant permission and now click allow, and as you can see here your internet speed is now displayed on your status bar. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.